Let's check if my audio's good. It's good. Okay, now let's get up. Okay, let's get my chats working, which usually entails this and this. Okay, I have apparently not logged into Kick. Click the link above. There is no link above. All right, we'll just close out of that. Try it again. Okay, there we go. Oh boy. Streamer bot is struggling today. Oh, I wonder if Cloudflare has anything to do with that. I might just need to hide my overlay today. Cloudflare is down. Might be affecting my chat overlay. Sorry. Okay. All right. Yesterday I made an achievement. Let's make more. I have a list of achievements. Aha. I think I'm getting streamer bot working actually. Uh-oh. This is what I'm seeing. Let's try it again. Yeah. Connect? No. All right. Aha. Sweet. I think I actually got it working. So never mind. Let's turn the overlay on. Oop-a-doop. Overlay back. And then... Hello, YouTube. Is that working? It's working. Okay. Rip Cloudflare. And we'll do an angry... Yeah, there we go. Okay. Steam achievements time. flipping through the box. Have N pink balls on screen. But this should be a hidden combo or a hidden achievement. All right, let's do these first two, I guess. Bust your balls. I'm trying to think of some more funny terms, because I want to have a 10K and a 15K. Oh my gosh, taste the rainbow. That could be funny. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The full Monty. That's pretty good. All right. Yeah, let's see. Guten Tag. Voitaking. Welcome. You've joined at an interesting time. I am making Steam achievements. Check it out. This is my first Steam achievement for my first game. Can I zoom in? Nope, can't zoom in. What genre am I making? Well, right now, hey, yet another Guten Tag. The genre for this game, here, you can go check it out. I think the link is even in my YouTube description. It's just this, right? It's a very simple game. It's my first game. My second game is, where did I put it? My second game is going to be this, which is a Sokoban style game. Not exactly Sokoban, but yeah, top-down puzzle game. Yeah, sorry, Sir Lunchalot, I don't have... It's like the Fruit game, yes, and many other games before it. It is not a unique game, that is for sure. But let me tell you, it's been a lot of fun to work on this game and like learn how to do everything. Like Steam achievements. Fruit game didn't have Steam achievements, tell you that much. What about D's nuts? Is that just too obvious? Bust a nut. It's a little too obvious. I like pot of gold for the rainbow combo. I think that's pretty good. And I also like, I think this might be a little too graphic, but I liked this one. Hanging brain. That might be... I actually don't know if that's a universal term, but I think it's funny. So yeah, you've Voitaking has entered the stream at a weird time because I am trying to create ball innuendo for my Steam achievements. So that's fun. I need to change the screen that I'm operating on. Sorry. This one. Yes. All right. How hard is it to put a game on Steam? Good question. I actually have a series about that on my YouTube channel. YouTube, Mojo Monkey. I just kind of like showed my whole process because I didn't know how to do it before. This was kind of like me going in raw and being like, you know, if you have zero knowledge and you're looking up basically nothing, just using the Steam documentation, how hard is it to put a game on Steam? And yeah, I mean, as you can see, this is like, what, will it tell me the time? It doesn't tell me the time, but it's like, what, an hour and a half of content. So yeah, it took me a bit. The big warning I will give you though is that it's going to take way more time than you think, and it's because of all the waiting. You'll watch later. You're interested to make some game. Nice! What kind of game you want to make? I want to hear about it. How to effectively make... Yeah. I even have a description on it. Nice. So yeah, the biggest thing was like, you got to be careful. Okay. Oh, like getting over it? But with guns. Nice. Cool. Yeah, so the biggest warning I have is like there's going to be a bunch of stuff that you should do early. And if you watch this, I give the warnings, but there's like things where it's like, oh, once you submit this, it's going to take 7 days for them to review it. And it's like, oh, okay. So don't like plan it for the last moment. Like you should probably make the Steam page early. And then you can release with ease, right? Because for example, I set myself a goal because I released this in July. And when I first started this series, I think it was about June. I was like, oh, I'm going to release this by my birthday, which was in the middle of July. Is it better than itch.io other than that it has more players? Yeah, it's very different, I would say. I'll get to that in a sec. So I was like, I'm going to release this by my birthday, which was like, I don't know, a couple weeks after that. And then it was like, oh, you're going to have this store page up for 2 weeks before you can release the game. And I was like, oh, okay, so I guess I'm not releasing by my birthday. I don't have time for that. And so, yeah, I released it later that month. But yeah, fair warning, if you're trying to release like on a tight schedule, get started fast. So yeah, that's my warning. Is Steam better than itch.io? Yes, I would say so. Itch.io, I personally see as like the game jam site. Like a lot of these games that are on here are going to be like from game jams. There's a lot of free games. So like itch is great for like prototypes and free games, and like it's kind of like the old Flash games. This is a great site. Itch.io is the start and Steam is the next logical step. Yeah, I think that that's a good way to look at it. I have heard that you can make a decent amount of money on itch. I do think that the people making the most money on itch are selling like asset packs and stuff. So you can, oh, I clicked the wrong thing. So you can go to like asset packs. And I mean, nothing's loading. I know that there's some sort of internet outage going on right now. So it could just be that those aren't loading right now. But yeah, people I think make a ton of money from this. Steam is different. Steam is like an actual store. Like I would consider this like freearcade.com. Like that's kind of what itch.io is to me. It's like come see what other people are building and like play like tiny little games. And you can usually play them in the browser, which is fun. But Steam is like an actual store and they're trying to help you market if you make money. Like if you make them money, they'll try to make you money. And so it's like an actual partnership. And that's why you have to like apply to get your game on Steam. You have to get reviewed. You can't have a trash game. You can't have a scummy game. So I think those are the big differences. I do think it's a good idea to put my game on itch.io. I think I should add that to my list. Let's do that. Release the game on itch.io as well. But my next one is going to be the App Store. Oh yeah, by the way, my game is on the Play Store already. and it's for free on the Play Store. Okay, and if you make a game, Steam give you servers for multiplayer, right, or something? I don't know. I have heard that, I think. Like they have some sort of built-in multiplayer thing. I don't exactly know how that works. I've never made something multiplayer. That could be fun to figure out sometime. Actually, let's I have this open. Where is it? All right, we'll just go to documentation. I think that they're Nope. I'm not familiar enough with this documentation. Let's see, multiplayer. Many different features to improve multiplayer experience. Easily allow players to play with... Okay. If your game is peer-to-peer, okay. Okay, Steam Game Servers. The Steam Game Servers API provides... Oh, here, let's zoom in a little bit. All right, the Steam Game Servers API provides everything you need to create dedicated servers for your game. You can host these game servers yourself or allow your community to host them for you. This is the best choice for highly competitive games such as Dota 2 or games with persistent servers that need to keep running even after all players leave, such as TF2. You can read more about it in the game servers documentation. Yeah, I don't know why my PNGs, like none of my pictures are loading. It's kind of weird. So it looks like you make your own dedicated server, and then you can use the Steam Game Servers API to surface it to your game easier. I think that's kind of what I'm hearing. If your game client needs to connect to dedicated servers, you may use Steam to distribute your dedicated server as well. To distribute your dedicated game server through Steam, there are a few necessary configurations to be made. Create a new app ID. Okay, so you can actually like put your game server on Steam. Okay. I'm getting a little confused. Yeah, let's Google it. So, does Steam host your dedicated server for you? Okay, that's what I was thinking it was saying. Hey, what's up? Welcome, Night Owl. We've got a new German friend on stream, Voita King. He's asking about putting a game on Steam, which is always exciting. But yeah, I think based on what I'm reading here, you still have to create the server yourself, but then you can release it. Oh, you're not German, you just like saying that. Yeah, all good. My bad. Fair enough. So yeah, basically Steam doesn't host the server for you. You host it yourself, but then there's an API and an SDK for managing that through Steam that I guess is probably pretty nice, and they could like link it directly into your game. So anyway, I haven't done any work on this for real though, so you'll have to figure it out on your own. That's part of the fun. Part of the fun. Okay. But yeah, let's get back to the fun stuff. Oh, I already had it open. Okay. We're making achievements. So, Night Owl, this is what you missed. I created my first achievement. I did it. And I beat it. I've unlocked all achievements. And so, yeah, I'm working on adding some more. And they are all tasteless jokes about balls. So, welcome welcome to Droppy Ball. Was it complicated? No. No, it was not. There's actually just a Godot SDK for this. Yeah, not bad at all. Although I think it was last Thursday or something, or last Wednesday, I did have to make the icon myself for both this is like the grayed out one, right? So you have to have the unachieved icon as well as the achieved icon. And so that took me a little while. It's kind of annoying that I have to keep making art for everything, but I suppose that's part of the job. But yeah, I'm gonna make the next achievement. Droppy Ball 2. What did I call it? Bust your balls. I think that's what I called it. Progress stat none. The name. Bust your balls. Achievement is score over 5,000 points. And now it is time. Well, actually, I can save this. I don't have to upload. In fact, you have to save it before you upload the icons. That's something I learned last time. So you create the achievement, and then you have to go in and edit it, and then you can upload files. I don't know why they did it that way. It doesn't look like it should be that way, but that's what it was. All right, next one was... Where am I? Oh, it's all the way at the beginning. Balls out. Lose the game from popping void balls. That's the plan. DB3. Balls out. Lose the game from popping void balls. My capitalization is all over the place. These should be capitalized because they are titles. Next is, I mean, Sir Lunchalot thinks that this is too on the nose, so let's how about like, let's see. It's not the way to do that. Delete. What about like these combos? I don't know. Like it's obvious what I'm trying to go for, but then it's, I don't know. What do you think? These combos is way better. What about this? What about... Oh, I've got my pen. I forgot. What about balls? Just a terrible pun. Combos. You think that's funny? Oh man. What did I come into here? Yeah, we're making achievements out of ball innuendo. D's balls. Oh man. No, there's definitely no tasteless jokes being made. More like there's no tasteful jokes being made. Oh man. I can do pot of gold. I know that I want to call it that, so let's do that first. DB4 pot o gold. And this one was a hidden achievement, yeah? Yeah. I think... So here's the question though, with the pot of gold. It feels forbidden. Yeah, perfect. Testy the limits. Oh no. Oh no. She's one of us. Okay. How do I want to describe this? Taste the rainbow. Combo the rainbow. What's the Skittles thing? Skittles motto or whatever. Okay, yeah, I'm doing it right. They have like a few different things they did, like harvest the rainbow, taste the rainbow, touch the rainbow, taste the rainbow. Anyway, so I guess maybe I do it opposite. So I do combo the rainbow, taste the rainbow. Is that allowed? That's probably copyright. Is taste the rainbow copyright? Did. Trademarked, my bad. So I will not do that. So I can't say taste the rainbow. I don't use it in that kind of way. You just reference. It's getting too wholesome in here again. Okay. Combo the rainbow. I'm just going to say combo the rainbow. That's probably good enough. And this one will be hidden. A reference is not an infringement, huh? Yeah, I'll have to look into that. I'll double check. I believe you, but I gotta double check. And if that's the case, then I will put it in here because I think that sounds better. Bust a nut. DB5, bust a nut. Better call legal for this one. I need a legal person in my life. Okay. Yeah, that's a good point. That's a Europe. Yeah. Yeah, people can just be so mean in the US. They're very Sue happy. So I gotta double check. All right. What should I describe this as? Bust through the wall of the box. This is going to be a hard one to detect, but I think I know how to do it. I was talking about this at one point. I think like basically with this one, like if you've got the box and if a ball like goes out, then I should be able to, well, I don't know. I probably can't detect the angle. Maybe this one will only be if it can go through the bottom. So the angle will have to be, it'll have to be within like a certain range, right, of the box, and the angle will have to be sharp enough, right? Because I don't know how to actually detect that one. Also, I'm like fairly certain it's not possible anymore. So maybe I don't make this one just yet. I think I'm not going to make this one just yet. Because again, it like an impossible achievement is kind of a bad idea, right? I think I'm going to cancel that. I'll oh, I've got my pen. Forgot my pen. Impossible. Have N pink balls on screen. This is one we have to decide how many pink balls you could feasibly fit on the screen. So let's look into this. Okay, so I can do like that. Oh. Oh gosh. I've got like a random velocity on them. That's why they're popping like that. And I can't control them. I mean, I want to say like 20, right? Like what if you've got, let's do 5. Oh, whoops. 8, 9. You could probably fit like one there, one there, one there, one there, one there. Right, 1, 2, 3. Oh, crap. Come on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've got 10 on here. So do you think I could actually get 20 on screen at the same time? Because that was the number I had in my head. Although I guess 16 is also just kind of a magic dev number, right? So maybe this could be 16. That's pretty good. Have 16 pink balls on screen. Well, I should probably say in the box, but yeah. Yeah, it's kind of hard to keep that many on screen. This is going to be a hard achievement. Ah. Come on. Oh. I'm not getting any pink balls at this point. What if I put one there? Yeah. Dang it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I've got 12. Dang it. I should remove that random velocity on it for my debug. So yeah, I've probably got like 13 here. So I don't think it's possible to get 20, you know? There we go. Is that 16? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. Can I fit one maybe like right here? Boop. Nope. I got 15. Come on, stay right here. Yeah, 16. So I would have gotten the achievement here. Do you think that's fun, or is that just like kind of a weird achievement, right? Because you gotta have a configuration like this that totally sucks. Should I make it lower, like 10? Hmm. Did I lose connection? Oh, you can't hear me? Is that what's going on? Rigging a gnome. Okay, that's pretty cool. You can hear me. Okay. I just lost y'all for a sec, I think. Now the question was like, is this just a ridiculous achievement, basically? To have 16 pink balls in the box at the same time. Testy test. 1, 2, 3. That's pretty good. I gotta write that one down. That could maybe be one of these ones. Let me write it down right here. Testy, testy. Maybe with some commas. 1, 2, 3. It'll have a lower achieve rate. Yeah. And maybe it can be like get 1, 2, 3, 4 points. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. How about that? Luckily, I can change this, right? I don't have to keep it or not that one. I can change this. I don't have to keep it 16. Like maybe I set it to 10. I don't know. I don't know. I'm unsure of myself on that one. Maybe I just skip it for now. I'm gonna have to do this one off stream. I don't want y'all to see this one. Maybe I'll do it like next week when I'm done with achievements. Yeah, so this one is probably impossible. This one I need to decide on the number. I could do this one. Let's do this one real quick. Score over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. I think that's funny. That is funny. These combos. I think I'm good with these combos. I'm just gonna go for that one. DB6. D's combos. Score a 16x combo. Or what would it be? It's not score, it's hit. Pop up to a 16x combo, something like that. What is it? Hit that 16x combo. I don't know. I can change the text on that. It doesn't matter that much. And then, yeah, I might as well just add the other one in. Because again, I can just change it. And this one was going to be called Hanging Brain. Have, and then I can just leave the N. Pink balls in the box. I could tentatively say 16. And I can change that later. Okay, so now I've got 7 achievements. Plus 8. Because I'm going to add that later. What have I done? Okay. Whoa. How did I do that? Was it Control X? No. Yeah, it was Control X. Interesting. Hanging brain busting. Okay. Balls out. Oh no, it was bust a nut. That's the one that I don't know if it's possible still. And so, okay. The lower the better, I say. Only a few can have the rarest Chivos and stand up with ones that are unable to drop their balls properly. And are you referring to the low achievement rate? Sorry, let me move this out of the way a little bit. Or are you saying the lower the N? Okay, lower achievement rate. Okay, cool. Then yeah, I'll do 16. Because I mean, I just proved that it's possible, and this isn't even a full box, right? It's possible to have 16 in the box. And if you're trying to do it, I bet you could. It could take a while, but like, I bet you could do it. So that's good. Yeah, I mean, I'll have to just do investigation into this one and see if it's possible. Can't force that one. This one, the bust a nut. Yeah, that's the thing. You can't force this one, and it might be impossible. So I might need to come up with a better... Might have to come up with a better achievement for this one. I mean, I do still think I want... I do still want an achievement for having popped 2 void balls, right? So like, well, I guess that would be 4 void balls. I still want that achievement, I think. Pop 4 void balls. Yo, what's up? Lil Between Stream YouTube. Possible. Welcome to the stream. What's this little decoration you've got by your name? It's showing up in StreamerBot, but nowhere else. Yeah, we're creating achievements for my game. Pop 4 void balls. What could we call this? Because this is like beat the game part 2. What if we call it what if we just call it like manscaping or something? I don't know. I don't know if I want to put the man in there. What is it called? Lawnmower 3000. Ew. Let's see. Yeah, I want to Grand Slam. That's pretty good, right? Because a Grand Slam is four scores, right? It's 4 points. Or am I crazy? Home run with loaded bases. That should be 4 scores, right? 4 runs. Maybe I know too little about baseball to make a baseball achievement. Pop 4 void balls. There are a lot of ball sports. That's a good point. Pop 4 void balls. I mean, the first one was called Beat the Game, so this one isn't innuendo, unfortunately. Oh, yep, there. That's where I wrote it. I wrote it up here, the 2x. This has to be like a pretty epic name, you know? Popping 4 void balls, that's kind of crazy. Let's see. It's almost impossible, yeah. Ball master. Yeah, I mean, yeah, something simple like that could work. This one, I think, is harder than this one. Just putting that out there. Master of the balls. Bollywood. uh Yeah, I'll have to think about this one. I'm gonna code a little bit. I wanna do something. Here's what I have in mind. So, oh, this is a little zoomed out. Having a ball. Yep, I know that one. Okay, let's just I have 8 now, I think. No, I have 7. Oh. Okay, DB1. So this will be, let's just do a little bit of this. This is going to be called Bust Your Balls. 3 balls out. Pot of gold. Testy, testy, 1, 2, 3. So good. These combos. And hanging brain. Okay. So I need to come up with a new save system for these achievements. So right now I have this dictionary, but I actually don't want to have this dictionary like this. I want, because I don't want people to be able to like know my keys, I guess. Because there's no way to know the Steam, like the key for these achievements, right? I guess maybe let's go to Steam. Oh, I'm not logged in on this browser. 1 sec. This. Oh, cool. Achieved Droppy ball. This. Let's inspect it. Let's see if it has title beat the game. So yeah, it has title beat the game. It does not have the ID. or anything. Basically, like, I mean, I want to do some basic security on this, right? Like, I don't want people to just be cheating their achievements. Obviously, they can figure it out. I mean, I'm showing the things here, but like in the code, the idea is that I'm going to store these only when they've achieved them. And so I need to delete this. And I need to if they want to cheat the Chivos, they use Sam. Steam Achievement Manager. Yeah, I mean, obviously it's easy to cheat achievements. That's fine. But I don't want it to just be as easy as, oh, I go to... Here, I think I even have it open. No, I don't have it open, but I can show you how easy it is right now with my current system. I just have this folder with this thing, achievements, and you could just set this to true and it would work. So I don't want to do that. And in fact, maybe I don't even store the achievements. The only reason I was thinking about storing them was in case it failed for some reason. Like maybe they're off, like they have no internet at the time. I would want to store it. Maybe I could do that only in the case that it failed. And every other time I just use Steam as the source of truth. Maybe that's what I do. So let's do that. I'm gonna write some notes on that first. So Steam will be source of truth if if what would it be calling? What would I call it? Setting achievement fails. Store a record of that achievement and try again to achieve it later. Like, for example, when they have connection again. Okay, so note, keep SDK agnostic. Yes, that's fine. I'm gonna actually put that at the top here. Achievements, that's fine. Already storing achievement. Yes, that's the other thing, is I am technically storing achievements in the global state. Beat the game achieved. So this thing I need to now get rid of. Beat the game. Well, actually, I can keep it here. No, I'm gonna move this. Save the save achievements. This. Let's grab this and put it in here. And then I need achievements file. And then I need, what do I need? Store line. Beat the game achieved. That's what it is. I'm going to, let's go to ball. Is that what it is? Dictionary. Dictionaries can just go straight in, right? Where am I saving the ball data? let's go. Yeah, let's go back to ball. This save function. Ah, crap. For some reason, okay. Save. Ah, whoa. There we go. Clear save. This one right here. It happens in global. And oh, I have to use JSON stringify. What the? There we go. This. And then store the line. So we'll do JSON and we'll stringify the achievements dictionary. And then we'll store the line. Oh, JSON like that. But only this will be called something new now. This will be like fallback achievements. And in fact, I should do a fallback achievements. Okay. Let's do save fallback achievements. Dictionary of string to bool equals this. Yeah, okay. We're getting somewhere. And this will be fallback achievements. Nice. So then the next thing to do is to load the fallback achievements. This. Let's load them. Open that. This is not correct anymore. I have to reference load game. Yeah, load game. If it's a ball, what do? I get the ball data, which is just get line, and then what? Oh yeah, you just get it from the ball data itself. Okay. So this will be data. Global dot get data. Yeah, this is correct. So if there are no achievements, then I should delete the file. In fact, I'm going to delete the file. Yeah, let's check here. If fallback achievements dot is empty, then, and I have this somewhere else. Delete. Remove this. Dir access, and then I remove achievements file. So I don't keep the achievements around. if you don't get the Chivo, the game deletes itself and you have to buy it again. Oh, am I just like making up stuff when I'm chatting like this? Okay, so if the fallback achievements is empty, just delete the achievements file. That's fine. This should happen after we load the achievements as well. We delete the file so that people can't manipulate it. So technically the way you would manipulate it, right? Like the way to get around this and cheat your achievements is to open the game, disconnect from internet, add the JSON to the achievements.save, and then restart the game on internet. That's it. And so it would immediately give you the achievements, which sounds unfun, but it's possible, and that's fine because I need this for a good experience anyway. So we'll just do that. It's fine. If people really want to cheat, they can. I'm not like ultra anti-cheat in this game. Fall back achievements, and then I need to load achievements. This goes away. Save achieve. Yeah. Okay, I got rid of the records. Perfect. Now I need to parse this data. Can I get data.keys or something? It's just okay. So what is this? Oh, it's a variant. I mean, can it be dictionary of string bool? Can I do that? Will it get mad at me? I wonder what the easiest way to test this would be. We'll just do fallback achievements, ASDF equals true. And then we'll just call save fallback achievements up front. And then we'll call load fallback achievements. And let's print fallback data. Let's do that. And then let's also do with key data ASDF. What does that look like? And then let's even do a truthy not to check its truthiness. All right. And we'll comment this for now. All right, let's try this. Which line? 32. Yep, so this does not work. Get data, JSON parse the JSON string. And this should be a variant, right? JSON.part. Oh, JSON.get data is what I'm looking for. Get data is a packed byte array. Oh. I thought for some reason this was a variant. Returns a copy of the images. I'm going to look this up. GD script JSON get data. Oh, yep, that's right. There's an incident happening right now. Oh, there's a parse string. Is there a parse dictionary? Let's see. JSON.parse. No, that's what I used before. What's the difference between parse string and... I guess I can't know. Get data. Huh? LSP is not working very well. Man, this... Oh, I got in. We're good. Parse data. Oh, you can just call it like that now. If it's a type array. Okay, data is a variant. Let's try that. And let's try this again. Let's see if it can... No, it still can't. Okay, of type dictionary to a very... Oh, okay, so what if I just get rid of this thing? What if I do that? There we go. So I got this with key true, truthy, false. So that was correct, I think. What if I do this equals true? Ah. It's not an actual Boolean. That is another behind the scenes vid. How to make Chivos for Steam. Yeah, probably. Yeah, what's the best way to convert these? I mean, I can do... Yeah, I can just do a conversion, right? So let's do fallback achievements. Oh, wait. I already have that. So I can just do for key in data.keys. I just do fallback achievements at key equals data at key equals true, right? And then there, I will have loaded it. And then, oh, actually, let's see. See, this is weird, right? Because this isn't the string true. This is actually true. So I am a bit confused. Like, is dictionary like by default just string to string? What if I do this? And then I put print whatever. Fallback achievements. What if I do this? What does this do? Yeah, that totally worked. That totally worked. Okay, so I don't even need to convert from string to Boolean here. Okay. And if we look at the file, come on. Where is it? So this is what the file looks like. ASDF true. Boom. Okay, so test achieved. And we... Okay, so now when it's ready, I do func check fallbacks. And this will do load fallback achievements. And then if fallback achievements dot is empty, and it'll be, well, if it is empty, then return, right? Otherwise, we will achieve them. So steam.set achievement. Well, actually, I can just call achieve. For key in fallback achievements.keys, achieve key. That's all I got to do. Because the achieve is going to have this fallback achievements at key equals true. Wow. My fat fingers. Okay. Maybe store the achievement state locally as well. Yeah. All right. And then that's good. And then if it fails, then we do this and save fallback achievements. There we go. Easy enough. So that should work. This is probably unnecessary, but I'll just keep it. But yeah, and then when it achieves one, it will put it in the fallback if it fails. All right. So that should be my achievement system. All done. Oh, except for I haven't loaded the real achievements. That's the other thing I need to do. So let me do that real quick. I don't technically have time, but I kind of want to do it anyway. So let's just do... Oh wait, what's load Steam achievements? Totally am. I am already loading Steam achievements. Perfect. Did it show up here? Steam initialized. It's not showing up here. Right? Am I crazy? If Steam... So I initialized Steam. Steam initialized. If res... Okay. Let's print. Steam initialized, question mark. Res. It's 0. So it should be initialized and it should load the Steam achievements. Which should... Oh, that's what it is. That's the problem. Is there a list? Get achievement. I guess I gotta do it manually. So I do need this one to have, but that's fine because this is not part of the fallback anymore. So now I do constants dot achievement 1 false. 2, replace 3, replace 4, replace 5, replace 6. And I forgot these. Okay, so we do that, and then it should load each of them in. Okay, so now then we go to global, I think, or no, ball manager. Because beat the game achieved is no longer true. So if not, achievements at constants dot achievement one. It's a little bit more complicated now than it used to be. Then I achieve it and I beat the game. Easy enough. And this should set, yeah, okay, perfect. All right, so now that should work. Beat the game. That's fine. So, yeah. So I did that right. Let's just print achievements now. Just so I can see it for sure. It should just be false for everything. Oh. I don't want to print it every iteration. So yeah, I've beat the game, but I haven't done any of the others. Perfect. It's working. And yeah, that's it. Tomorrow I will make art for all of these achievements. I think they might just be these, but with different colored balls. I'm not gonna lie. I'm like, I don't want to do art anymore. So it's probably gonna be extremely simple, whatever I do. All right. Well, that's it for today.